TycoonTV.com.
Hello everybody, and today I'll be making a video on my upgraded money farm. Now my last money farm video went viral and made like 300 views or something, and it made like 11 likes. So I'm gonna make a upgraded money farm. I already made it and I am super excited, super duper excited. Yes, I am so excited. So let's come over here, and I just made a little path, and my theme park is so awesome. Oh, stupid trash. I'll pick it up later. So I come down here, and I just kind of upgraded it by first of all making the hole bigger, and second of all just making a path so I save energy. Then I come down here, it comes over here, and there's a bit of there's just some stalls. This pizza stall has made $11,000. Not that bad. And this one has made $30,000. So yeah, let's go ahead and come on. And I have a steel coaster, vertical launch coaster. This is the same setup as my last one, just, you know what I mean, this. And then I have a other vertical launch coaster, a multi-launch coaster, a spinning coaster, a phase turb. Nope, I think that's a flying coaster, and a mine train. Then you come over here, and there's a teacups. And there's a few pizza stalls and more stalls. And then spiral slide, and then one of these. So the lights are way too bright. Don't look straight at the light. And then yeah, so that's basically it. I'll go ahead and zoom out here so you can go ahead. Oh crap! I'll just do this. So you know what I mean. It's basically the same setup, but with another line, and it's bigger, and I probably should make it bigger sometime because the hole, and then I had to make a hole up there, and then I made a ceiling too. So yeah, awesome money farm. It works so much. I already have like $17,000 from it. I've made $100,000 from it, but I all blew it on the stupid mega duck invasion achievement, which was not worth it. It's like I had to place 100 mega ducks. Like, yeah. So if you want to get the just do this, then go ahead and take a screenshot and go for it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Yeah, that's basically it. So hope you're having a great day, guys. Till next time, peace.